Okay, here we go. I got braided line, 50-pound test. Got the weight I'm throwing up there. And there's my 100-foot of rope. Then I'm going to pull through. If I could get this thing to go through the right spot. Okay. One practice throw. Well, that's no good. Eek. This line is strong. That'll. Oh yeah. You will get the weight back. I'm pulling branches down with this. Okay. Come on now, right through that crook. Oh no. That's really not bad. I could try that. I could try that. I could try that. Okay, rope. Let's put you on that weight. Let's give that a little try. I was going to cut the line and pull it the other way, but like this seems all right. Come here. Okay, I don't want to lose my weight, but hell with it, I'm tying this on. It's Friday. This is beginning to be not as interesting as it was. All right. Up's the daisy. Up's the daisy. Here we go. Get up there, rope. Get up there. Get up there. Oh. That twig was too wimpy. All right. All right. Come on. Oh, great. It's tangled on there. Yeah, it's tangled on there. Get off. Thank you. No, this 40-pound test is. That ain't going anywhere soon. I'll pull half this tree down. What the hell's this going on? Houston, we have a problem. Okay. Come on, right through that crook up there. Right through that crook and I'll be nice. No good. Come on back. Come on back. Oh yeah. Pull this right out of the tree. Come on, over the crook. Oh yeah, we did it. Come on down. Come on, rope. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. That's in the Goldilocks zone. All right, so what do? Do I try to pull the rope up and over? Or do I cut this off? I don't feel like cutting this off. I'm trying to go up and over. Come here, you. I am going to take the weight off for this one, though. Get off of there. Wow, that line is strong. Try breaking that line with your hands. Forget about it. Cut into you like razor wire. Okay, 1. 2. I should really do this like electricians do and tie it to the end and tape it so it slides through there easily. Now that I said that, and I don't, I'm just going to be stupid, but I'm not. Okay, we're still filming. Here we go. Ups the daisy. Ups the daisy. Oh, up it goes. Go ahead. Up you go. Seriously, it's stuck on this spring. Okay. Maybe the other side of this is I could use I won't even need the yellow rope if I could use this. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Maybe I could get the fishing line under the drone. There, it's on it. Shaking the drone. Shaking the drone, boss. All right, well, it's shaking it. Here comes the rope. Here comes the rope. There. The rope is hitting the drone. I got the drone. I got the drone. I got the drone. Got the drone. Got the drone. Got the drone. Oh, I lost 2 of the drone legs. Got the drone. Got the drone. You've been naughty. You've been very naughty. Wait till I get you home. Got the drone. Got the drone. Got the drone. Got the drone.